Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to connect your Shopify store to Facebook in just a few steps. If you want to sell products directly on Facebook or run Facebook ads, this setup is a must. Before connecting, make sure you have the following: a Facebook Business Manager account, a Facebook page for your brand, a Facebook ads account, a Meta Business Suite profile, and a Facebook Commerce account. You can create all of these at business.facebook.com if you haven't already. Tips: use the same email for Shopify and Facebook to avoid errors. Click Settings on your Shopify dashboard. Then select Apps and Sales Channels. Search for, click on Shopify App Store, then search for Facebook and Instagram by Meta, then click Install. Once installed, go to the Facebook and Instagram sales channels and click Start Up. Now it's time to connect everything between Shopify and Facebook. Follow these steps carefully. Log into your Facebook account. Shopify will prompt Shopify will prompt you to log in with your Facebook profile. Make sure you are using the account that owns your Facebook page and a business manager. Then select Connect Account. Select enter your Facebook email and password or phone number. Select your business manager. Once you are logged in, Shopify will detect all business managers linked in your to your Facebook account. Choose the one that manages your Facebook page, ad account, and catalog. If you only have one, it will be auto selected. Choose your Facebook page, ad account, and commerce account. Facebook page. This is the page where your Facebook shop will appear. Ad account. This is the account Shopify will use for tracking and running ads through Meta. Commerce account. This is what allows Facebook to display your products and handle checkout if you use Facebook Shop. Make sure you are the admin of all three, or you won't be able to complete the connection. Grant permissions and approve data sharing. Shopify will ask for permission to manage your Facebook business tools. Click Allow or Continue on each step. This include this includes access to manage your product catalog, ad account, and campaign data, business settings. Finally, you will be asked to agree to data sharing and tracking, which is required for features like Facebook Pixel and dynamic ads. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Facebook. You can now tag products in posts, run ads with Shopify data, and sell directly on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on setting up Instagram shopping next. Thanks for watching.